Marri, I'm sorry. Oh my God. What up? Welcome back to our channel, guys. Okay, so first and foremost, thanks for watching our videos so much. We do appreciate it. We had another video planned for you guys today, but
something ended up happening.
I messed up. I messed up.
Someone forgot about something super precious to my life.
Okay,
Yeah.
I did. We planned another video for you guys, but I forgot something. So, before we even get started, can you please go ahead and hit that like button?
Hit the like button.
Right there, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
And it might help her memory if you just keep pressing the like button.
So we'll go ahead and let you see what happened. Yes, I messed up. You can all leave a comment and let me know how horrible I am for messing up. Roll the clip. You went last night.
I lost my mind. I look like a child.
Someone.
Seeing the Wiggles for the first time. When the lights were coming on, I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Where I was like, okay.
And she didn't take me. Go, Demi.
Oh no, she was wearing a jumper.
Yes. Good morning, beautiful. Yes, hello.
Yeah.
Good morning. Did you go to the Demi Lovato concert last night? No? Okay, did you go to the Demi Lovato concert last night? No, you pissed on the floor. That's what you did.
Oh.
You're not gonna pour mine. Oh. Wow, this is what happens when I come home. She doesn't listen.
No, I don't care. Wait. What are you gonna do? Good girl. Good boy.
Marri, don't play.
Go. Good boy. Okay. Good boy.
What did he?
Go to the bathroom.
Hi, Cupcake. Yeah, you need a bath. You so dirty, girl. You looking dirty. You got a dingy pink. Yes. Where's? Yeah. Where's Bagheera?
Sorry, guys.
Why does it smell like shite? Somebody poop? Where's the poop?
There's no poop.
Where's the poop?
There is none.
I smell it. Where's the poop? Is it your breath? It's your breath? Where you going, homie?
Gonna start getting dressed. But don't forget to let
All right. Yeah. Let me see. Where is he? There he is. He's getting busy. Where is he? All right. All right. I got ready. Shower. Hair has to dry.
Mama!
What, babe?
Where's Colin?
What?
Where's Colin?
Oh shit, I forgot. I
You
forgot.
didn't let him in?
No, Marri. I forgot. Oh.
Colin!
Colin! Colin! Oh my god. Colin! Marri. Colin! Here, hold it. There his ass is.
Are you kidding me?
See, little buddy.
Colin, come here.
His ass. He's okay. Buddy. Buddy.
Come here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why did you run? I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I love you.
Well,
Okay, well.
my heart has definitely dropped down and dropped out my butt, but we found him.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. And yeah, that was a scary moment, but he's back. He's happy. He's back. He went on an adventure. It's great. Yeah, don't ever do that again, and I won't ever do that again.
Him?
I'm sorry. I started getting ready, and I'm sorry. I forgot. Oh, I love you. Grandma, don't ever want to do that again. Okay. We got the bad chihuahua back, but he's my love.
I know.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh god.
Oh, ew. All right, well, we got him. Thank God. Are you happy to be home? He's like, hell no. What? She's like, I didn't get to go either. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what happened after we got dressed, and I'm sorry.
I even said, don't forget, as I was going upstairs to get dressed. And then you're just, you know, fluffing your hair. My life could have just ended today.
It's true. Mine too. I love you.
It's fine now, it's fine.